Okay, these are the elevators here at the Old Navy store on 34th Street in New York City, New York. Oh, the other one's going. I believe these are MEI, but I'm not sure. Ooh, door closing button, I like that. Here we are, 3. Let's go back down to B. And we'll get our cab view. It's your basic industrial looking elevator. That's because this is one of those older Old Navy stores that used to have the industrial style look to it. It was renovated a few years back though when they dropped that. That's the other one. I'll go up to 3 and try to get the other one. Here we go. Yeah, see, the signal button used to turn the floor passing chime on, but now it's just always on. Now, we'll try to get right on the other car. There goes that one. Now we'll get this one. Yeah, it's burned out. Hi. Thank you. Alright, there it goes, and that is it.